Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel the iOS update while installing on your iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. While installing the iOS update, what we have to do, we have to open the control center and disconnect the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then turn off the Wi-Fi. If you're using mobile or cellular data, then enable airplane mode. After that, we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage. Find and delete the iOS update. Force close all the apps that are running in the background. Force restart your iPhone and you will able to cancel the iOS update while installing. That's it.